We as General Mobile have experience in telecommunication industry since 1994. Our engineers, within their expertise, design products in our R&D center and enrich with in-house developed software. Our factory, the largest manufacturing facility in Europe and Middle East, has been built with the latest technologies and started to produce in 2017. In order to achieve the high quality in production, we are constantly developing the skills, competencies of our employees. By sharing our 30 years of experience in the industry with young talents, we are creating new roles and opportunity. After extensive quality test and controls, we are constantly providing high quality with Industry 4.0 manufacturing technology. Sound, camera, and image quality of our devices are controlled in each stage of the production with special testing equipment and software in order to have perfect results. With the strategy of high-quality products, right pricing, and extensive after-sales support, we are proud to be one of the leading brands of Turkey and export our products around the world. We always deliver up-to-date, most secure software to our customers and present our local production to the world.